That was a fun experience. Lost the membership card, but found it. How lucky are we? Anyway, didn't want to bore you with our trip to Sam's Club, but we got everything? Yes, we got everything. Sorta. What didn't we get? Oh, the meats. Crescent rolls and meats. Meat assortment pack.
No, we got meat.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we got everything besides crescent rolls and walnuts.
And alcohol swabs.
And alcohol swabs. But other than that, we got everything. All right, folks. Y'all have a good afternoon. I'll get back at you. Pros. When in doubt, risk it out, bro. We're at the established Spare Rib BBQ joint here in wonderful Farmington, New Mexico. If you're looking for some really good barbecue, you should come check them out. And they've got a large on the roof. A large on the roof. Come with us, won't you? Oh, and they got a pig too.
Okay. That's what she's wanting. So I'm like, okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do the top beef kind of special. Okay.
Locally owned business, really good barbecue. If you're in the market for some barbecue, come check them out. Tell them the toe sent you. They probably won't care, but nonetheless, tell them the toe sent you. Oh, ooh, sorry. Tell them Susie Lee sent you. All right, guys. I can do head cam again. How is it? Hey guys. Hey guys, what's up? Just kidding. Bye. Just had some spare rib. It was really delicious. Really delicious. Now we're gonna go get some sweet frozen confections. Confections, bro. I'm all drunk with food since I don't drink anymore. Drunk on food. Hashtag bad cholesterol. Hashtag ye old stomach pump. Hashtag Wilford Brimley's famous line. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Hashtag I'll talk to you later. That's all I got, YouTube. Have a good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hido. Hi.